the Harper Trails today. We had the new ultimate wolfin.
Wolfin? It's a wolfin. I love how you
It's
said
Wavy the Narwhal.
that. It's Wavy the Narwhal. Oh my gosh. So that's like a part unicorn and a part whale, unicorn, dolphin thingamajiggy?
Can I open
It's
it?
from
Yes.
FurReal.
It's for reals, man. It's gangster. What the?
It's
What?
gonna be a spy trap.
What the? It's gonna bite you. It's for reals. It's gonna bite you. Whoa, he's cute. Look at that.
Oh.
I like his eyes. You haven't seen his eyes yet. His eyes are really kind of realistic.
Yes,
He's so soft. Oh wait, that's you, Harper.
He's so soft.
He's soft. He's soft. I like how you said wolfin. He's the wolfin. Well, you can see his eyes are really neat as Mama Bear or Mama Dolphin, Wolfin, cuts little Wolfin out. What? Danger Mouse. Oh, damn.
Hi, Harper Rose. How you like kindergarten? Do you have any friends? I heard you have a fuzzy. There's a little kid that she calls Fuzzy Hair because he has fuzzy hair. And everybody at school, when it ends, say bye-bye, Harper.
Well, let's see. Oh, look, he's got cute little plastic Wolfins. Well, look at that. You could hit the ring on his thing like this. Ooh, now he's really bling bling. Oh, okay. What are we gonna call him with this? Yeah, this ain't a comey. Oh my goodness! At least fluffinize him. Ooh, does it stick to his nose?
A donut.
Ooh, and we got a donut. We all like donuts.
Donuts.
Okay, so does it stick to his nose? Or his mouth? Is that a magnet? I don't know. We probably gotta read the instructions. Oh, Mom's gonna look in the Wolfin's bum. And it has batteries, because FurReals always have batteries, Miss Carrie says. That's not what you told me. You said all the time. But Cubby didn't. Mr. Kangaroo didn't, or what's the other one we have?
He does.
Oh, he's alive. Wow, he played magical stuff.
Okay, let me close him up first.
Oh, surgery.
I wasn't sure because there's a bunch of different switches in there. I guess we have to.
Leave his eyes alone, child. You don't go sticking fingers in people's
The
eyes.
music is so relaxing.
Oh my gosh, it makes me want to go to the potty.
This is the night mode.
Night mode.
So he has a night mode, he has a
Ooh,
day mode.
turn off the light then. Let's see what it looks like in night mode.
Wanna try?
Mom, turn it off.
Aww. It's so relaxing.
Wow, you falling asleep?
Does it make you sleepy?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes.
You're trying to suffocate the damn dude.
Alright, I'll change from the day mode.
Oh, Mom didn't turn on all the lights, man. I got to go do that.
I
Mom.
turned it off! I was gonna change his mode.
Yeah, but you didn't turn that light back on.
Well, yeah, because I was gonna change it to day mode.
Yeah. So what does that have to do with anything? You turn this light back on.
Oh my god.
Oh no! Oh, he's angry.
He's going crazy now. He's definitely awake. His eyes are going crazy, huh?
Is this supposed to stick?
Yeah, that sticks to his nose.
Don't do too good.
Let me see.
Here, eat. Whoa. Move. He is cute. Kind of nerdy.
He likes to be.
So, did you see if you were supposed to? You're supposed to be looking at that
At what?
to find out if the ball sticks to his nose.
Oh, I thought you already did.
Oh my god. Gina, I'm gonna call you, start calling you a Gina. He's cute. Look at his tail.
I guess he plays with the ball. It looks like he.
Oh, maybe if you put it in front of him like this. Hold on, hold on. Come on, Dolphy. He said he loves me. Did you hear that? You love me? Oh, you're so cute. You love me. Oh, exciting. Oh, he's got some
button right here.
on that arm. Night mode. Like night mode.
Oh, look at his tail.
Yeah, it flips and the flops.
That's cute.
Okay, night mode. What do you say? No, see.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Peace out. Love and geese and dolphins and wolfins.
And peace out and love dolphins and dolphins.
Can you do it? What he's doing? Do we want to give him a name? His own name? What kind of name you want to give him? Little cute dolphin. He's kind of skinny. He needs to eat some more food.
Yeah, give him a donut.
Yeah. Hook him up with a donut. Oh.
Give him night mode.
Give him night mode. She wants night mode again.
Can I have night mode?
Oh, see if this does anything too.
Wow. You're an amazing magician. I was just speechless. Usually something comes out. I couldn't even say nothing.
Oh man, what? I thought it would do something.
Your mom is like an infant trying to play with a toy.
Shut up.
What is this? No, I know that, but what is this thing? A shell? Seashell, yeah.
Here's night mode.
Shh, night mode. He's got rumblies and tumblies.
You like the night mode, don't you?
Steven.
Don't mess with his eyes. I'm gonna break them.
Okay. There you go. Shh. All right. Once again, thanks for watching. Good night. Sweet dreams.
Change to either water or music. And then if we change him back to day, he's probably gonna change too.
What do we do today?
Time to wake up.
We'll wake him up.
Wake up. Good morning. Time for school. Good morning, Harper. Time for school. Yes. We gotta wake up Mr. Dolphin. Did you feel that little button? All you gotta do, you don't have to hold it, just hit it.
Well, it says if you hold it, it does different things.
Whoa. She's getting excited.
I think because he likes it. He likes to be petted.
Oh. Whoa. Harper, you made him do magic.
Oh yeah, he does. If you
made
hold
him
it down,
sing.
it makes music.
What song is that?
That's a pretty song.
I like his eyeball. Really neat eyeball. There you go. You're making designs on him, huh?
So if I pull this down.
You like the music? That's cute. He's singing the song.
That's makes you want to go swimming. Wow, you did a really nice job combing. Ooh, he sounds like a tiger.
She's just combing him away.
You're making me excited.
You They like coming on, huh?
Oh, I made him sneeze. He's allergic to daddy.
Daddy's hand made him sneeze. Oh.
Yeah.
Daddy makes him sneeze, huh?
I give him allergies.
Let's dance again. Yeah.